welcome to Ask MBA. So we have one of our student from Thane branch. So she is Kashish. Hi Kashish. So basically in this video we're going to talk about her journey for MBA. So Kashish, इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे कि किस तरीके से आपने प्रिपेयर किया and how was your journey, because finally आपका business school हो चुका है, right? So this is what you dreamed for, or what was your plan, and how did this MBA thing come up? Because she comes from a different background. It's not related to normal BCom or BMS degree. So tell me about how was your experience? How did you plan and rest?
Yeah, so I planned for MBA when in month of October.
Last year.
2023, last year. So my inclination was toward MBA from the very start.
Right.
After doing my pharmacy also, I chosen doing MBA rather than masters in pharmacy, because I am good. Obviously, I have better cons and LRT and everything. So that clicked me कि this is the right thing to do after pharmacy.
Acha, okay. So how did this MBA thing came up into your mind after pharmacy, or you were already कि pharmacy ऐसे ही कर लिया था कि MBA का था कि बाद में जाके switch करना है ऐसे?
There is two ways after pharmacy. After I decided to do pharmacy initially, then there were two ways, if I want to do for masters in pharmacy or MBA. So I chose an MBA regarding my inclination in MBA.
Acha, okay. And then how did you decide about the exams and all? ऐसे ही था कि मुंबई के towards ज़्यादा you wanted, I think we had a discussion regarding this ना, आपको मुंबई के ही colleges चाहिए थे. So that's what she has got, and she has converted Wellinkar, Mumbai. So that again is a great achievement, and she is happy. I think we had a lot of discussions regarding that also, whether you want to repeat or what needs to be done. But again, it's all about how you consider, and again comes into top 5 colleges, top 3, almost in the ranking of top 5 colleges. Wellinkar is one of the top business schools. So how did you prepare for the exams? How much time was there? In October you joined, no?
Yeah, from October I have joined, but the classes started from November. Yeah, so I prepared for around 2 to 3 months.
Right.
And from Feb I started giving the mock test and everything, because I given CET and CMAT
both
the exams. So I was preparing for CET only, because there was no confirmation about the CMAT exams.
Right. There was a lot of chaos in between.
Yeah, no dates were not
there, nothing.
Yeah. So I used to prepare going classes twice a week, and then preparing at home for around 4 to 5 hours. And of course, following the tips and everything with Sajay sir, and for cons and for verbal, what sir has
Yeah. So that's so how many mocks did you attempt?
For CET I gave around 20 mocks.
Okay.
And for CMAT I already I did 3 to 4.
3 to mocks. It was more than sufficient.
Because there was very little amount of time for the preparation of CMAT. So I gave only 3 to 4.
अच्छा, okay. So 3 to 4 mocks. At the end वो आपको समझ गया था इतने टाइम बाद?
Because I already was prepared for the verbal section and cons and everything. Because 2 things were added up.
Innovation and
GK.
GK, only both 2 parts were there, and that's how then you plan.
For GK it is कितना भी prepare कर लो वो
कम ही है. Right. तो GK में जो questions आए, they were also quite generic only, ना, very basic.
There was level के 10 to 12 जो था वो एकदम easy.
Correct, जो static GK जो रहता है वो.
3 to 4 were hard to judge.
वो depends कि जैसे newspapers and all. तुम पढ़ रहे थे कि कैसे था?
Newspaper daily
चालू था ना. So you were, which newspaper you were reading that?
Economic Times I used to read.
अच्छा, okay. तो ये एक part है. So what is one tip which you like to give for the students or aspirants who must be watching right now also to us, कि ऐसा क्या एक चीज है प्रिपरेशन के लिए जो तुम्हें मोटिवेटेड रखा है, और कि ओके दिस इज व्हाट इट?
वन थिंग आई वुड से कि जो भी ऐसा है कि अरे 1 to पूरे चैप्टर्स भी कंप्लीट हो गए, तो देन नेवर उसको छोड़ नहीं देना है, हमेशा उसको रोज रिपीट करना ही है वैसा. क्योंकि ऐसा सोचते हैं अरे 5 चैप्टर्स हो गया, अभी आगे बढ़ते हैं, 5 टॉपिक हो गया, नहीं. अगर उसके आगे बढ़ोगे तो पीछे का फिर से ब्लैंक हो जाएगा. और वो जो वेज होते हैं हर सम और हर टाइप का क्वेश्चन सॉल्व
Right.
करने का वो
हाँ.
हमेशा कंटिन्यू रखना पड़ता है.
Consistency basically
Consistency
is
is,
there,
हाँ.
na? Yeah, that is one of the important factor. So how many hours you were putting in daily?
For daily, I used to give 6 to 7 hours.
6 to 7 hours,
Like
na?
3 to 4 hours for cons and
Acha.
1 to 2 hours for LR, which is
LR.
more than enough.
Right,
And
right.
for verbal, I used to read and go through the Merriam-Webster dictionary
Right.
also, which Ashish
Okay.
sir told.
हाँ.
Okay, that will help me
Help,
for
right.
verbal too.
Guys, see so much of struggle for shooting a video. Make sure you're liking it, na? There is so much of light, moisture, rainy season, and then the sleep, na? Light.
Right.
See, there is a lot of struggle, guys, and it is also going to be there further for MBA also. There's
Yeah.
plans hai. So for Monday, I think this month you will be starting your journey. So
Yes.
how excited you are?
From coming Monday.
Yeah.
I'm very excited and it is very a surreal thing for me.
हाँ. अभी कोई बोले फिर से पढ़ाई करनी है क्या
नहीं.
किया?
I was
बस हो गया.
really hoping कि first उसमें clear होकर अच्छा
हाँ,
college
college,
मिले.
हाँ.
I was not at all ready for
Second.
हाँ compromise करना college
Right,
के
right,
लिए.
हाँ.
I had in mind कि Wellinger या तो फिर ऐसे कुछ नहीं. उसमें
कुछ
मुझे
नहीं,
भी
हाँ,
जाना नहीं
हाँ.
है. And finally I got into it.
Right.
So I'm very happy.
हैप्पी ना. हाँ, फिर पहला तो टारगेट हमेशा जमनालाल बजाज होता है.
हाँ,
उसके बाद
उसके
फिर
बाद
टॉप 5 तक हो गया.
नहीं
Then
हो
it's
गया.
हाँ. So that is there. Anything you want to add up? How was your interview, by the way, for PGD? We also given the interview. What questions did they ask?
Some basic questions were
Basic
there, like
questions,
tell me
na?
about yourself.
Right.
And the very important question was why I chose MBA after doing pharmacy, why not
Acha.
in the healthcare?
Healthcare in
thing?
the-
Yeah,
right,
that
right.
was one of the questions.
How did you tackle that question? What did you answer?
Yeah, I told them my inclination towards MBA, that how I am good into this rather
Yeah,
than
huh.
going in pharmacy.
Pharmacy,
And
huh.
in future also that will help me. Like
Right.
if I do MBA, then I can work in some healthcare
Healthcare
much
department.
better
Position,
role. Yeah,
right,
position.
right. So that's what is important. You know, sometimes people or even parents don't agree with this factor. You have done into pharma and now
Yeah.
something with, regarding management. So that is one of the concerns. But then obviously the specialization or whatever degree you have taken, it never matters.
Yeah, right.
What you do further and what kind of positions and placements and companies or opportunity you're getting, that is
Yeah,
important.
there are I think million of people
Yeah.
who go switch from
Yes,
different,
yes.
things.
That is there. Even engineers, yeah. First preference after going to technical, they are like,
Yes, MBA.
बस हो गया. That is there. Okay.
And for interview round only, the most important question is that only, that why you want to choose MBA.
Right,
If
right.
you tackle this question
Then-
perfectly, then you are selected.
वही एक पता था बट पहले से ना ये क्वेश्चन हम लोग पूछने ही वाले हैं करके. That was you already thought about it. So that is there. Any last moment tips for students who are planning to give CET, or you know what they should be doing? What you did is something different, or what you thought you if this thing I would have done, it would have worked for me, or something. Or last tip.
Like preparing your schedule is like very important thing for you. Like following it is very important.
Right.
Because like we can study daily and
Right.
do things ऐसा, but जो एक proper planning होता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा important होता है MBA
Right,
में.
right. Consistency होनी है.
कंसिस्टेंसी और जो प्लानिंग है और जो तुम्हारा शेड्यूल है वो प्रॉपर अगर फॉलो होगा देन यू कैन अचीव इट.
Right. So I think 3 months is more than enough for preparation.
Yeah, of course.
Of course.
3 months is more than enough, but you have to give mocks on time and
Right.
like see like what you are doing. Analyze
The
mocks,
or the studies or plan which you have
Yes.
made. Right.
Like in which area you are doing better,
Right.
and which are weaker
Sections.
sections.
Right. Okay. I hope guys, I mean, you like this video, and she's already gonna come up with more energy after her MBA, right? During the process, because there are so many opportunities which you will be getting for your MBA, taking out PPTs and going for internships, talking around with in front of 1,000 and 2,000 people. That is gonna turn up with such more confidence, right?
Very enthusiastic.
Yeah.
Face all those things.
Yeah. So guys, make sure you're liking and commenting on the video, and wishing her all the best for a further journey.
Thank you.
And let's meet up soon with the next video wherein we'll be speaking how your journey is going with Relics,
Yeah,
right?
sure.
Thank you
Looking
so
forward
much.
to that. Thank you.